Today we are going to learn some of the keyboard shortcuts that can speed up our coding and development skills. I myself felt the requirement to type faster while doing web development several times. So I am putting forward some of the keyboard shortcuts that I found out, that I searched over the internet and find out, and hope it helps you. Let's get started. So the first one is removing the last word that we have typed. So let's say that I am typing, oh, it was a mistake, so I want to delete it. Now one thing I can do is to go by pressing backspace, but instead what I can do is I can press Ctrl plus backspace, so it will clear out that word completely without clearing out the word which has been typed previously to that deleted word. So it is quite useful. The second one is selecting a word. We can press Ctrl plus D to select a word, and since our words can have hyphens, since our words can have underscores, so pressing Ctrl plus D actually selects that word along with the underscore. Now we can Ctrl plus C to copy it, and we can press Ctrl plus V to paste it, and again I can delete it by Ctrl plus backspace. Next one is selecting word by word. So this we have to look into what is it. Suppose I want to select this word path, then API auth up to this thing, up to as view. So what I will do, I will place the cursor over here. I will press Ctrl Shift and right arrow. So this will select path, again right arrow, again, yet again, and our requirement is satisfied. Now I can type Ctrl plus C to copy it and Ctrl plus V to paste it. So this is how it works. Next one is to copy a line. To copy a line, it is very similar to what we generally do. We can press Ctrl plus C to copy, and we can paste it by pressing Ctrl plus V. Next one is to cut a line. To cut a line, that means that it will be cut or deleted, but it will be there in our clipboard. So to cut a line, we can press Ctrl plus X. This is also very similar to what we do in our real life. Next one is searching text in all files. So many a times I have myself found out that I have typed some word, or I have typed some keywords in some of the files, and I am not able to find out where I typed that because I worked on that project several months ago. So what I can do is I can press Ctrl plus Shift plus F. So this gives us this very nice field, and I can search for whatever I want, and it will show up all the files which has that word. Next one is moving a line up. This is also required yet again every time. So we can just press Alt plus up arrow. Okay, it is not working in VS Code. Let me try it in Sublime. Sorry, I was not actually pressing Alt, I was pressing Shift. That was a fool of mine. So Alt plus up arrow works. Next one is to have multiple cursors. This is very essential thing. I have felt the requirement at times. So for multiple cursors in VS Code, we can have Alt plus mouse click. Let's try it out. For example, if I want to delete all these COVID-19 words, I can press Alt and click everywhere where COVID-19 is there, and I can delete all of them simultaneously. This is extremely important at times. For this to work in Sublime, we have to do control plus click, control plus mouse click. So for Sublime, I want to delete these 3 lines, control plus mouse click. Now we have got multiple cursors and they will work simultaneously. So this was all for today. I will definitely try to come up with more number of shortcuts to write codes faster, and I will paste the link of my GitHub account, this link in Bark, so that you can access it. And thank you for listening to me. Have a nice day.